And we're back to learning CapCut in here. Let me show you the difference between scaling and font size. For increasing text size, we use yet again a default text, and here you can see under text basic we have the font size and the scale option, and they both seem to do the same. So the text simply gets bigger when I use the sliders, and it gets smaller when I go to the left with the slider. But there is a difference. If you use the font size to make it bigger, this actually adjusts the font that's used, and that usually gives you cleaner and sharper edges for your text. So if I make that really small and scale it up to the max, it's gonna get a little bit blurry on the edges, because you're taking something that's very small and then you scale it up. And that usually also happens when you zoom in that way, for example with basic footage. So the upscale simply makes all of these small pixels, you could say, bigger and bigger, and at some point this results in unsharp text or footage. With font size you don't have the problem. So it's usually the wisest idea, if you want to create a title, for example, to use the font size to set it to the size that you need. And scale, only use that when you want to add a size animation. Just for example create one, very simple. So at the start point I use 100%, click on the diamond icon here to create a keyframe. Then I go forward, maybe like 5 seconds, and I put it to the max of 500%. That creates another keyframe, you can see them here. If I drag the second keyframe a little bit to the left, this animation now is faster. And that would be a simple text scale up animation, and you can't create that using the font size. So font size, once again, this is to set the initial value, initial size of a text, and the scaling only use that when you want to have an animation. And this is the difference between font size and scaling in CapCut. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.